Good afternoon, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom. Thank you for the opportunity that's given to me. My name is Selin Asian Rorong. I study in the Department of Mathematics Education from Indonesia University of Education. Now I will present my research with the title Mathematical Literacy Ability Based on Students' Learning Style. Mathematical literacy includes mathematical reasoning and the ability to use mathematical concept, procedure, fact, and mathematical function to describe, explain, and predict phenomena. However, currently, student mathematical literacy skills in Indonesia are still categorized as low. According to the OECD, Indonesian students are only able to work on level 1 and level 2 mathematical literacy problems out of the 6 levels of student mathematical literacy skill formulated by PISA. One factor that needs to be considered to improve learning outcomes is learning style. Learning style is one factor that influences the achievement of mathematical literacy. Learning style is a combination of how a person absorbs, organizes, and then processes information. There are 3 modalities in learning style: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. The study aims to describe and analyze students' mathematical literacy referring to learning style, auditory, visual, and kinesthetic. The method of my research. This research is descriptive qualitative research. The subjects studied were 9 students selected from 58 students in grades 8E and 8F, where 3 students represented each auditory, visual, and kinesthetic learning style. The learning style questionnaire instrument in the study was adopted from the learning style questionnaire developed by O'Brien. Mathematical literacy questions in this study consist of 6 questions. Each number represents the criteria for each literacy level used and has been adjusted to level developed by PISA. The study used descriptive data analysis with a qualitative approach that used Mills and Huberman models. The models consist of data reduction, data presentation, verification, and decision making. Result and discussion. This research used 58 students from the 2 classes that were given a questionnaire. 16 students had a visual learning style, 17 students had an auditory learning style, and 25 students had a kinesthetic learning style. This shows that students have different learning style. From 58 research subjects, 3 people from each learning style group were selected who have the highest scoring ability in their group. The result of student learning style is shown in Table 2. Based on Table 2, it can be seen that the chosen subject amount to 9 students, consisting of 3 students with visual learning style, V1, V2, and V3, 3 students with auditory learning style, A1, A2, and A3, and 3 students with kinesthetic learning style, K1, K2, and K3. Now I will show you mathematical literacy ability of students with visual learning style. The result of mathematical literacy ability test of 3 students, it can be seen that the mathematical literacy abilities of students with visual learning style in the range of 3rd to 5th levels. This is shown by the ability to solve mathematical literacy problems with 1st to 5th levels. Figure 1 is the answer of visual student. A is V1, B is V2, and C is V3. Based on the presentation of the result of the 3 visual students, V1, V2, and V3 above, it is shown that students with visual learning style can solve problems in complex situations, identify problems and set assumptions to compare and evaluate appropriately. Next, mathematical literacy abilities of students with auditory learning style. The results of the mathematical literacy ability test of the 3 students, it can be seen that the mathematical literacy ability of students with auditory learning style is in the range of 2nd to 4th levels. This is indicated by the ability to solve mathematical literacy problems in the range of 1st to 4th levels. Figure 2 is the answer of mathematical students. A is A1, B is A2, and C is A3. Based on the presentation of the result of the 3 auditory students A1, A2, and A3 above, it is shown that students with auditory learning style can work effectively by using mathematical models in concrete. Still, complex situations make assumptions in solving problems. And the last is the mathematical literacy of students with kinesthetic learning style. The result of mathematical literacy ability test of the 3 students, it can be seen that the mathematical literacy abilities of students with kinesthetic learning style are in the range of 2nd to 3rd levels. This is indicated by the ability to solve mathematical literacy problems in the range of 1st to 3rd levels. Figure 3 is the answer of kinesthetic learning style. Kinesthetic students. A is K1, B is K2, and C is K3. Based on the presentation of the result of the 3 kinesthetic students K1, K2, and K3 above, it is shown that students with kinesthetic learning style can work effectively in solving literacy problems in concrete situations. Kinesthetic students can also select and combine different representations, including symbols, relate them to real situations, and use their limited range of skill and reason with several views in a clear context. So, the conclusion of my research is the first, mathematical literacy abilities of students with auditory learning style are in the range of 2nd to 4th levels. Second, mathematical literacy abilities of students with visual learning style are in the range of 3rd to 5th levels. And the third, mathematical literacy ability students with kinesthetic learning style are in the range of 2nd to 3rd level. Thus, it can be seen that students with visual learning style have better literacy skill than students with auditory learning style and students with kinesthetic learning style. So this is my presentation, and thank you for the attention.